Welcome back to Tech Solutions. In this video, you'll learn how to set up the XFCE desktop environment on FreeBSD 15. XFCE is lightweight, fast, and perfect for older hardware or anyone who wants a clean, responsive desktop without the heavy resource usage of bigger environments. Let's walk through the full setup from a fresh FreeBSD installation all the way to a working graphical desktop. Begin by installing Nano, your text editor, for the configuration steps ahead. Once that's installed, move on to Xorg. Xorg is the graphical foundation that makes desktop environments possible. Without Xorg running underneath, no windows, menus, or interfaces can appear. So go ahead and enter the shown commands to install Xorg and prepare the graphical layer. After Xorg is ready, install the XFCE desktop environment along with the Slim Display Manager and the Slim Theme package. XFCE provides the lightweight desktop itself, while Slim handles the login screen that appears each time the system boots. With these three components together, FreeBSD gets everything needed for a simple yet polished desktop experience. Next, open the /etc/rc.conf file. This file controls which system services start automatically every time FreeBSD boots. You'll be enabling the ones XFCE depends on. Turn on dbus, which allows communication between system components. Enable how, which helps FreeBSD manage hardware devices smoothly. Then enable Slim so your graphical login manager launches on startup. And finally, activate sound so audio works properly inside the XFCE desktop. Enter the commands shown on screen to apply these settings, then save and close the file. With the system services configured, open the .xinicr file inside your user's home directory. This file tells FreeBSD which desktop environment to launch when using the startx method. Add the necessary line to start XFCE, then save the file and exit the editor. This step ensures that XFCE launches correctly whether you use Slip or startx. Now reboot the system so all of your changes can take effect. When FreeBSD starts back up, Slim will appear with its simple login interface. After logging in, XFCE will load immediately, giving you a clean and responsive desktop. You should now see the panel, the application menu, the settings manager, and everything else XFCE provides. From here, you can customize panels, add plugins, install themes, and make the desktop feel exactly the way you want. And that completes the full setup of XFCE on FreeBSD 15. You've gone from a terminal-only system to a lightweight, fast, and fully functional desktop environment. If this tutorial helped you get XFCE running smoothly, hit the like button and let me know in the comments which desktop environment you want to see next on FreeBSD. More BSD and Linux content is on the way. This is Yasir, signing off from Tech Solutions.